What up guys, me Patrick LeVar, back with another video. I had to take a small break. I need to clear my mind. If some of you guys have been following along with the vlog, you know what's going on. But anyways, you know, during that week off, I didn't do any filming. The video I just uploaded about the mobile photography lesson was one I had. I have a whole bunch of them, guys, that I haven't edited up yet. So that was the first of some of the series that I'm going to start pumping a little bit more of the mobile photography stuff out. But I spend most of my time reading, guys. And, you know, this whole filming and everything, I love it. And you know, reading, I just want more knowledge, more just cram more knowledge in my brain. So I've been reading about how to composite 3D imaging into live action footage, vice versa with photography. If some of you guys follow my Instagram feed, you've seen I posted a couple photos that I threw up of me using Cinema 4D, Adobe After Effects, and integrating the 3D together. And I've also started messing with another program called Fusion, which is like they used on big Hollywood movies, and it is free. Definitely check that out. Search on the interweb for Fusion. You can download that if you guys run a computer. But you know, I'm just jumping in. It'll give you an update. If you've seen here, I'm wearing the Zhiyun shirt. The folks at Zhiyun subbed me out. Finally, I got my hands on the Zhiyun 4. Basically the Smooth 4 here. So I haven't really gotten out to film with it yet, just because, like I said, I took a week off and I didn't want to do any filming. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get into the video using this guy and see the difference, because right now I'm telling you, I love my Smooth 3. So we'll see how this is. You know, it's got the wheel here for focusing and things like that. I just hope it works okay with my app, because I know that most of these the software base is really strong on the iPhone side, because the iPhone has just, you know, straight OS across the phones. Unlike Android, is different. So many different phones, so many different OSs, so the apps tend to be a little bit buggy or shaky or unstable with the on the Android side. But we'll figure that out. So stay tuned with that, guys. I'm going to be putting this through its trials and tribulations and see what I like about it. So you know, I've just been working hard on 3 like this right here. It's pretty cool, huh? A little compositing action. But enough of my jibber jabber. I'll catch you guys in the next video. This was just a quick little update to keep you guys informed. Again, I've been doing a lot of reading about exposure, how to exposure properly, like on my DSLR camera, on my mirrorless camera. But what I've been learning on that has also been helping me to even expose even better on my cell phone in manual mode. That's right, guys. I'm gonna really start pumping you guys to try to get into using your phone in manual mode. So many people complain to me, my video doesn't look like yours. I asked, were you using manual mode? No. You have to use manual mode to really get the best image and the best quality out of your phone. It doesn't matter what phone you're using. Just, you gotta use manual mode. Auto will not get you to look your videos to get, you know, very good. So enough of my jibber jabber. Patrick LeVar, slam that like button, share this video. Check out the playlist, guys. I got fantastic. A lot of people have been asking me about some of the same questions over and over. Go to the playlists, guys. The playlist has got all these. It will answer a lot of your questions. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Keep filming.